So electronic configuration of the elements in the long form of the periodic table in groups and periods. So electronic configuration of the elements in groups and periods and groups periods and groups. So generally long form of the periodic table consists of 7 periods. How many? 7 periods and 18 groups. 7 periods, 18 groups. So generally period number indicates principal quantum number, that is n. N equal to principal quantum number. So period number indicates the principal quantum number, or principal quantum number indicates the period number. So n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So next, group number. Actually group number means in NLX method. Okay, in NLX method. So generally n represent the period. What is n represent the period? L is the subshell. What is it? Is the subshell. So it means simply azimuthal quantum number subshell. So then n represent the number of valency electrons. Number of valency electrons. Now this number of valency electron indicates the what is a group number. What is a group number? If the element with one valence electron, it is belong to first group. If the element with 2 electrons in its valency shell, this belong to second group simply. So for example, periods. What is it? These are the periods. Okay, period. So generally, first period consists of how many elements? 2 elements. Second period 8 elements. Third period 8 elements. Fourth period 18, like that. So period. So these are the subshells. What are period subshells? So now subshells, electronic configuration, electronic configuration of the periods. For example, first period. What is first period? Subshell is 1s. So wherein n equal to 1. So then n equal to what is 1? N equal to 1. Subshell is 1s. So then it consists of how many orbitals? 1 orbital. Each orbital accommodate 2 electrons. So then first period consists of 2 elements. Okay, 2 elements. So that is ns1 and ns2. What is ns1 and ns2? Or simply 1s1, 1s2. It is 1s1, it is 1s2. 1s1, 1s2. It is first period. So now second period. What is second period? Wherein n equal to 2. N equal to 2. So simply it is S subshell. It consists of only S subshell. So 1s. For example, it is S subshell and P subshell, and it is 2s and it is 2p. 2s and 2p. So then 2s, 2p, 2 plus 6 equal to 8 electrons. How many electrons? 8 electrons. So second period consists of 8 elements. So now what are the elements from lithium to neon? what is in lithium to neon. So then NH2 NP1 to NH2 NP6, NH2 NP1 to NH2 NP6, it is second period elements. So now third period elements n equal to 3. What is n equal to 3? So n equal to 3, it is 3s and it is 3p. 3s and 3p. So then wherein 3h2, it is 3h2 NH2 NP1. So then it is 3h2 3p1 to 3h2, what is 3p6. NH2 NP third group, like that. NH2 NP1 to 3h2 3p6, that is 3h2 3p6. So it is second period. So like that. So now third period, fourth period. So fourth period n equal to 4. What is n equal to 4? So then it is 4s, it is 4p and 3d. What is 4s, 4p and 3d. What is 3d? So now simply it wherein 4h2 4p6, 4h2 4p6, and what is 3d10? What is 3d10? So fourth period consists of how many elements are present in fourth period? 18 elements. So now 4h2 4p6 and 3d, what is 1 to 6, sorry 1 to 10. So then 10 plus 6, 16 plus 2, 18. So now fifth period. So wherein fifth period n equal to 6, fifth period n equal to 5. So then it is 5s, okay, it is 5p and it is 4d. What is 4d? So then first period consists of how many elements? 2 elements. Second period consists of 8 elements. Third period consists of 8 elements. Fourth period consists of 18 elements, and it is 5h2 5p6 and it is 4d 1 to 10. So then it consists of 18 elements. How many? 18 elements. Now sixth period. So wherein n equal to 6. So then 6s, 6p, 5d and 4f. 4f. 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 10, 18, 18 plus 14, that is 32. So then 6h2, 6p6, 5d10, 4f1 to 14, it consists of 32 elements. It consists of 32 elements. Now seventh period, n equal to 7. So then it is incomplete. Actually it is 6s, 6p, it comes 7, it is 7s, 7p, 60, 4f. Okay, so then it is the incomplete. It is the incomplete period. So like that, it is the electronic configuration of the elements in periods. Actually first period means its configuration wherein n value is 1, second period n value 2, n value 3, n value 4, like that. So it is the electronic configuration in periods. So the next one is electronic configuration of the elements in groups. Actually group number is equal to number of valency electrons. So valency electrons indicates the group number. Valence electrons indicates the group number. So now for example, let's consider first A group, second A group, like that. Okay. So now in the periodic table consists of how many groups? Totally 8 groups. What is 8? 18 groups. So now it is a first group, or simply it is a 1A group. So it is second group, and it is a second group, it is a 2A group. What is a 2A group? So now it is what is it is third B group and fourth B group, fifth B group, sixth B group, seventh B group, eighth B group, and it is 1B group, it is 2B group, 1B group and 2B group. So now wherein it is 1B group, it is the 2B group. So now it is third A group, fourth A group, fifth A group, sixth A group, seventh A group, and eighth A group. What is eighth A group? So it is first group, second group. It is third group, fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, seventh group. Okay, seventh group. So then it is 8, 9 and 10. 8, 9, 10. So it is 11th group and it is 12th group. So it is 13th group. It is 14th group. It is 15th group. 16th group. 17th group. And it is 18th group. 18th group. So now first group elements. Generally, what are first group elements? So then hydrogen. What is first group elements? Hydrogen. So lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and what is francium. So now first group elements general electronic configuration is, so then its valency consists of how many electrons? One electron. So now it is NS1. What is NS1? N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So now second A group elements. What are second A group elements? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. All these elements with number of valence electrons 2. So then it is NH2 after completion of noble gas configuration. So now 13th group or third A group elements: boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and what is thallium. Its general electronic configuration NH2 NP1. It consists of 3 electrons.